Hello everyone! Happy New Year! This is the first vlog of 2022. For new subscribers, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me on my adventures. And for existing subscribers, thank you for your continued support. We are here in Lake Tahoe to enjoy the winter and snow. So, let's go explore! Hello everyone! It's pretty darn early, but we gotta beat traffic. But first, breakfast. We gotta find breakfast. And we're here in Sacramento, just to stop over for some touristy things and food. As a resident of California all my life, this is the first time that I've seen the state capitol. Pretty exciting! Alright, so we finished a great breakfast at the Morning Fork and we ran into this wonderful farmers market. It's called Midtown Farmers Market. There's food trucks, food vendors, jewelry, clothes, bags even, and a produce and vegetable section. Finally, we found a trailhead where dogs are permitted. I guess it's a general rule that for the winter, dogs are not allowed on resort grounds or any resort trailheads. So we finally found, and there's Darwin. A trail off the side of the road. So here we are on the side of the road and our car is there somewhere, and now we're gonna look for another trail. All right, so we are now somewhere in Emerald Bay and we found, it's not quite a snow park, but some kind of trail, and it's right off the highway again. So we're gonna walk as far as we can. I had to end up carrying Bailey because he didn't like the texture of the snow. It's actually not fluffy snow, it's more like shaved ice consistency, and he didn't like it, and I didn't bring him any socks or shoes, so I have to carry him on the way back to the car. On this trail, you will be sharing it with skiers, snowboarders, and snowshoers, but best of all, with other fur babies. We ran into a couple of them and Bailey loved interacting with them. We figured out that Bailey actually likes, or he's okay walking on snow, just not soft snow where he sinks, he gets scared. So now we're going to have lunch, a very late lunch, and it just so happens this barbecue place, and I wish you guys could smell it, but it smells so good, does not allow dogs on the premises. So we are at the side of the road eating our very late lunch, almost dinner. I have a grilled portobello mushroom, sada beans, and jalapeno cornbread. All right, you might be hearing Bailey in the background because I've left him in the front seat just so I can eat a little bit. Wow, that is messy. Very messy. Okay, let's try this. Of course, very good. I mean, what could go wrong with portobello? All right, it got cold, like freezing cold real quick, 15 minutes into our meal, so we ducked inside the car, put the heater on, and try to melt away the icicles that has, look at my hands, that has like suddenly overtaken my hands. It's so red because it was frozen as I was trying to bite into my sandwich. But we do have a nice view. Okay, I'm gonna try and eat the rest of my meal or my food. Time to try the jalapeno cornbread. I did like my portobello sandwich. The taste was great, but the skin on it was really tough that you couldn't cut it with your teeth. So the portobello mushroom just sort of slid off of the bread as you're trying to bite into it. So it made the whole experience a lot messier, and that's why my hands furrows trying to bite off the sandwich. The cornbread is nothing special about it. It's cornbread. It's not even spicy. No. It's just a big block of cornbread. Here. Let's try the beans. Make a mess, Bailey. Okay, the barbecue baked beans. Smells really good. Yeah.
Yeah. You can taste the barbecue.
Yeah, you can definitely taste the barbecue. Wow.
I'll make it my own. But I want big beans. That's like small beans.
Yeah. So good. My gosh, I could actually eat the whole thing. in one sitting. Very good. How about your meal, Darwin? How was it?
Oh, it's good. The brisket was like really, really soft, like almost melt in your mouth. So
And
it's
I
good.
wanted to try one, but then my hands froze, so I couldn't.
I didn't
try
eat much
a
because yeah, it was cold, so I was eating the salad fast.
So now we are going to head home. Maybe look for some coffee or dessert on the way back. Got my boba. Yay! I didn't know there was one here, or maybe this is new. But then again, the last time I was here was 2 years ago. And if you haven't seen that video, I will link it up to this video. So, you know, I really wanted to come to Tahoe the first week of January because the area was just pummeled with fierce snowstorms throughout the month of December. But because of COVID exposures, Darwin, we had to postpone and postpone and postpone again until now it's the first week of February. I really wanted to see snow-capped trees, falling snow, fluffy white snow, which I haven't seen for so long because we've just had a dry spell here in California for quite some time. So on this trip, we pretty much were just chasing whatever type of snow we can get. Plus, it is the Bailey boy's birthday in 2 days. And so this is sort of a pre-birthday celebration for him as well. Home now, and I'm going to continue eating my lunch. So I think this is a good place and time to end this vlog. I don't have big travel plans for this year again because of the ever-changing requirements associated with COVID. So it's hard to make plans. So I don't know what I will be sharing or what I will be able to share with you as far as content. So I hope that you just stick with me and stay tuned in this channel for surprise adventures, exploration, and baking somewhere in between. So from my mind side to yours, thanks for watching.